Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account will be deleted in 28 days. So guys, if you're getting the error like this, your account will be deleted in 24, 25, 28 or 29 days, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So let me tell you that if you have deleted your account and you want to recover it again within the 4 days, then you can see here your account will be deleted in 26 days. Okay guys, because your account permanently will be deleted after 30 days. Okay guys, so what you need to do guys, just simply you have to set up the supervision. You and your parent will do this together. Okay guys, you can also correct your date of birth. Okay guys, save your stuff before it's deleted. So let me tell you that if you want to fix it, first of all you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser like Safari or other. Now I'm going to open here Chrome browser, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to search for recover deleted Google account. Search for this and wait some seconds. So after that guys, you can easily see here support.google.com. Tap on that, wait some seconds. So from here guys, you can also see the steps. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on follow the steps to recover your account. Now wait some seconds. Here you have to put your email address. Let me tell you that once you have given your email address, after that you have to put the password of your email. Once you have given your password guys, after that it will ask you to correct your date of birth. Okay guys, so just simply have to correct your date of birth and send the document. Okay guys, so you can also send the ID card or payment method like debit or credit card. So just simply correct your date with respect to your ID and just simply have to send that ID to Google team, and after that you can easily recover your account. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.